Hello students, this is lecture number 8 on the topic sets. So as we know, in the previous class I solved practical problems. There are 6 problems I had done in the previous, in the case of lecture number 7. So today we are solving some more problems. I think this is almost the end of the chapter. Now 7th problem, and I am taking 8th problem. Okay, what is the 7th one? In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket. There are how many people are there? In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis only and not cricket is considered as a, this is considered as a who like tennis only but not cricket. And then he is asking how many like tennis. Okay, now the thing I will write you, as you know, what are the given data here? I will say in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket. Solution case. Yes. Problem number, I can say 7th one. 7th one, solution. I can write, I can consider better. Let A is equal to who like cricket. Who like what? Cricket. Second, B is equal to who like tennis. Listen to me. Yeah. By the given data, in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. So in a group of 65 people means at least one of them are 65, that is considered as a N of A union B is equal to 65. Now what is given? N of means 40 like cricket. 40 like cricket. What is A? A is a who like cricket, means I can say N of A is a 40 and N of B we don't know. Is it 10 like both cricket and tennis? Means I can say N of A intersection B is given 10 and he is asking how many like tennis, means he is asking N of B and means I can say this is also question mark, and also asking what? Who like tennis but not cricket. Who like tennis? Tennis means this I am considering B but not cricket. Yeah, this is okay. Can I say wordings? According to that given words I can express mathematically. He is asking who like tennis and how many like tennis and how many like tennis but not cricket. This is a very simple. I think you can find out first this. He is asking tennis. There are two questions here. One question is how many like tennis and not cricket, means that is considered as a tennis but not cricket. And he is asking another one, how many like tennis only. Now we know that N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Tell me, what is A union B is given? 65. N of A is 40 plus N of B we are finding, this keep as it is, minus N of A intersection B 10. So I need to find out this, minus 10 you take this side, 65 plus 10, take this 40 also, minus 40 is equal to N of B. So what happened? 75 minus 40 N of B. Is it 75 minus 40 is nothing but it is 35. 35 is what? N of B. What it means? 35 people like tennis. Therefore, 35 people like what? Tennis. Okay? Copy this. And also he is asking how many like tennis but not cricket. I will remove this question. How many like tennis but not cricket? Next thing, I can say that here. Then the record is what? How many like tennis but not cricket can be written as? Another thing, n of, we are finding b minus a. So the thing is n of b minus n of a intersection b. I think you know this thing. I said whenever a but not b, b but not a, here tennis but not cricket can be written as n of b minus a. What is n of b? N of b we obtained 35 minus n of a intersection b given 10. So what happened? N of b minus a is equal to what? b minus a will give 25. What is this? Therefore 25 people like tennis but not cricket. Okay, this is the thing. This is about given seventh one. Then now I can solve next problem. So understand, this is the thing. What is the eighth one? Eighth one is he is asking in a committee 50 speak. In a committee 50 speak what? French. 20 speak Spanish. 10 speak both. He is asking how many speak at least one of these two languages. I can say in the case of this solution, first one, let A is equal to who speak what? You can say French, and B is equal to who speak Spanish. Yes. What are the given things? 50 people speak French, means I can say n of A 50, n of B who speak Spanish, how many? 20 speak Spanish. 20 speak Spanish and 10 speak both Spanish, means n of A intersection B is equal to 10. I will solve this. This is the given data. Now this one I will eliminate. What is asking? How many, this I am solving here. How many speak at least one of these two languages? How many speak at least one of these two languages is nothing but n of A union B. He is asking directly, nothing here. Whenever at least one of them means you can say A union B. So it implies that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. What is n of A? N of A is a 50 plus n of B 20 minus 10. Is it 70 minus 10 is a 60. What is this? N of A union B. What it means? Therefore 60 people speak at least one of the two languages. Therefore 60 people speak at least one of the two, at least one of the two language. At least one of the two languages. This is the required answer. 60 people speak at least one of the two languages. Okay, this is about a 8th question. Next problem, ninth one. See this, I think it is looking a very big problem, but nothing it is. You understand the formula I have given already, A union B union C is equal to, using that, and I will give one note. According to that note you can follow this problem. Now what is given? In a survey of 60 people, we are conducting one survey. In that case, how many people are there? 60 people. It was found that 25 people read newspaper H. So H may be one of the newspaper. You can say Hindu paper like. 26 read newspaper T. T is one of the newspaper. You can say Times of India. 26 read newspaper I. So I can say Indian Express. So simply I am saying here it is not mentioned any particular newspaper. He mentioned only H, T, I. For my convenience I am saying H is a Hindu, T is a Times of India, and I is a Indian Express. 9 read both H and I. 11 read both H and T. 8 read both T and I. 3 read all these 3 newspapers. He is asking, find the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. This question is what? At least one of the newspaper is considered as what? When I said at least one of, means you can say A union B union C. And then the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Second question is very important. This you concentrate. He is asking what? The number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Exactly one newspaper means we don't know which particular paper. Is it H or is it T or is it I? But the thing is, he is asking number of people who read exactly one newspaper, means that indirectly he is asking the sum of the newspapers of who read only H, who read only T, who read only I. Means I can say the number of people who read exactly one of the newspaper. So instead of this, the number of people who read exactly H paper, Hindu paper, or if he is asking only I paper or only T paper, that is a different. But he is asking the number of people who read exactly one newspaper, means I can say who read exactly H paper, who read only I, who read only T. So sum of all those are considered as who read exactly one newspaper only. Means I can say who read Hindu, that Hindu paper, who read T means Times of India, who read Indian Express. So means when I am adding all those people, I can say these all people will read exactly one newspaper. So irrespective of the H, T, I, because he is asking only who read number of people, the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So before taking this problem, I will tell you one note. What is a note? This is in this case I can say, we know that first one thing we know, let A union B union C. N of A union B union C is N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C and minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. This is already we know this formula. According to this formula, I can say at least one of the 3 newspaper is considered as a N of A union B union C is equal to, I can say, N of A, N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C, like. Okay, that is a case. Now I will give another one formula. Second formula, I can find out only A can be obtained by. Only A can be obtained by using N of A. I will take N of A. minus where the formula having only a, this I can say only a, here no a, don't consider, means here also having a, means these people are reading AB, these people are reading AC, so that I have to minus it from the n of a, and also this I can say minus n of a intersection B, a intersection B, and again minus n of a intersection C plus n of a intersection B intersection. This is the converted formula, means I can say only a can be obtained by using n of a minus n of a intersection B minus n of a intersection C plus n of a intersection B intersection C. It is similarly only B can be obtained by, I will change only B, n of B minus n of B means I can say n of a intersection B will be there, and minus n of AB BC. AC does not matter, I need B. N of B minus n of A intersection B, AB one pair, BC, AC does not matter because I don't want AC here, I need B compulsory. AB BC I can take, then it will be every time A B C will be there, I can say n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, and then only C can be obtained by, only C is nothing but n of C, nothing, n of C minus, when you are taking pair those are different, I don't want here n of B n of A, I need only intersection of A with C, AB BC AC, means can I say minus AB is not necessary because I am finding C, AB leave, BC, yes, BC intersection minus BC AB BC AC, n of AC, this will be always A B C. Copy this, only A, only B, only C, means I can say exactly one can be obtained by only A plus, only B plus, only C, means I can say exactly one newspaper can be obtained by only A, only B, only C. Exactly one thing can be obtained by only A, only B, only C. Okay, copy this. This is the required note. Completo? Now, I will solve the problem. What is the problem? Yeah. Yes. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, and he has given everything. I will say in a survey, here it is not necessary to take notation because already he has given. I can say in a survey 65 people read, means I can say according to given n of, I will take itself the notation H, and second one T I, H union T union I is how much? 60, correct? Yeah. And then it was found that 25 people read newspaper H. I can say n of H is how much? 25. And then 26 T, n of T is 26, because he has given 25 read H, 26 read newspaper T, 26 again 26 read what? I. So you can say again 26 read I. What happened? 26, and n of I is also 26. And then he is asking that this one, 9 read H and I, 11 read H and T, 11 read H and T, 8 read T and I, 3 read all the 3. So means first one is asking 9 read n of intersection H intersection I. H intersection I is equal to 9. Next, 11 read H and T. H intersection T, 11. And another one, 8 read T and I. N of T and I. How much? 8 people. Okay. Is it given? 8 read T and I. 3 read all the 3. I can say this can be said N of H intersection T intersection I is equal to 3. Now, first one what? The number of people who read at least one of the 3. The number of people who read at least one of the 3 can be taken as N of A union B union C. So here A, B, C are considered as what? H. Yes. H. B is considered as what? T. Yes. And that is considered as what? I. Instead of saying ABC, I can take this. What is the formula? I can write now N of H union T union I can be obtained by N of H, N of T, N of I minus N of H intersection T minus N of HT over TI, and then minus H intersection I plus N of H intersection T intersection I. This is the formula. So I can say the required answer will be, what is the N of H? N of H is what? Given N of H is 25 plus N of T is 26 and plus N of I, it is also 26, minus N of H intersection T. H intersection T is what? 11 minus T intersection I. T intersection I is what? 8 minus, again he is asking H intersection I. H intersection I is what? 9 plus how many? These all are considered as 3. So is it 26 plus 26? 52. 52 plus 5? 57. 57 plus 20. Is it 77? 77. This plus 3. Is it 80? Minus 11. 8. Is it minus 11, 9, 20 minus 28. 80 minus 28 is a 52. I can say 52 is what? 52 people read at least one of the 3 newspapers. Okay, copy this. This is the first bit. Next one, second bit. I will solve second bit here. This I can cancel all. He is asking what? He is asking that The number of people who read exactly one newspaper. The number of people who read exactly one newspaper can be obtained by who read H separate, who read T separate, who read I separate. Then I can say sum of the who read T, sum of the who read H, sum of the who read I. That is considered as what? Who read exactly one newspaper, because here it is not mentioned any particular paper. He is not mentioned here H particular, T particular, I particular. For that reason I will find out separately. Second one, what? Who read exactly one newspaper means the number of people who read exactly one newspaper is equal to, I can say, who read H plus who read T plus who read I. Is it? Some of this you can find out these all. Now for this I can say I will find out now only H is equal to n of H minus n of H. Where n of H? N of H is how much? That is given. That n of H minus n of H intersection T. H intersection T. Wherever H is there you consider. H intersection I don't consider. H intersection T, and there again I can say T intersection, that you can say only H. N of H intersection T. This is considered as a I, and H intersection I can say. H intersection I plus n of H intersection T intersection I. What is this? So n of H is what? 25 minus n of H intersection T 11 and n of H intersection I minus 9 plus 3. Is it 25 plus 3 is what? 28 minus how much? 20. How much it is? Totally 8 I got. Now second one, only T can be obtained by n of T minus n of T, that you can say wherever T is there take it. H intersection T, T intersection I. H intersection T minus wherever T is there. Here there is no T. H intersection T or T intersection I. T intersection I plus n of H intersection T intersection I. This you can collect. What are the things I have? How many are T? Only T. Only T is how much? 26. 26 minus H intersection T. H intersection T is a 11. And T intersection I. T intersection I is a minus 8 plus 3. I can say 26 plus 3 is a 29. 26 plus 3 and minus how much it is? Minus 8 minus 11. Is it minus 19? So 29 minus 19. How much it is? 10. Yes, now this is obtained and only I can be obtained by. What is the n of I? N of I is what? N of I can write n of I wherever I collection. H intersection I, H intersection T. Here there is no I, don't write. T intersection I take and minus H intersection I minus, don't confuse, it is a I is a T, so this is I minus n of H intersection I over here H intersection T. I want only I. T intersection I. T intersection I plus n of H intersection T intersection I. So this can be obtained by. What is the n of I? N of I is again 26. Yes. minus n of h intersection I. H intersection I is a 9 minus t intersection I. T intersection I is a 8. Yes, and plus 3. Is it 26 plus 3 is again 29. 29 minus 9 minus 8. Minus 8 and minus 9 is a minus 17. So 17. 29 minus 17. So is it 12? 12 plus 17 will get 29. I can say 12 members. 12 members are what? This you can say 29 minus 17. You will get 12. So means this is what? Only I. Means I can say only I plus only this t plus only 8. Therefore the required result is, therefore this one, see the thing, this copy, therefore the required is, the required is equal to, the required is equal to, who read h only, who read h only is what? 8 plus who read t is considered as a 10 plus who read I, that can be written as 12. So totally this is, this we can say 10 plus 12 is 22 plus 8. Is it? There are 12, 10 and 8 that can be obtained by 20 plus 10 is a 30. How many people read exactly one newspaper? I can say 30 people read, 30 people read exactly one newspaper. Therefore you can say 30 people read exactly one newspaper. Okay, this is the problem. Next one, this is a last problem in this chapter in the case of set. So that like same previous problem, in a survey it was found that 21 people like product A, 26 people like product B, 29 like product C. If 14 people like product A and B, 12 like product C and A, 14 like product B and C, then he is asking 8 people, and he has given another one, 8 people like all the product. Find how many liked product C only, product A only, product B only. So as you know, in the previous problem I have given note, in that case I have given formula how to find only A, how to find only B, how to find only C. So in this problem I will take only this, I will find out only C. This I will give homework and this I will. Otherwise I will get more practice. For your convenience I will give second bit and third bit. I hope you will do these two. These are very simple. I will take C only because all are same, nothing. Following that problem you can do it. Okay, what are the things are given? Solution case. Yeah, what is a given? What are the things are given? I can say 10, that out of these 21, in a survey it was found that 21 people like product A. Means I can say n of A is 21. N of B, how many like product B? This is simple, 26. And n of C, how many like product C? That is given 29. Yes. And n of A intersection B, n of B intersection C, n of A intersection C. How much? AB is given 14. BC is given again 14. This one, see, BC is here. BC is given 14. And AC is given middle 12. Yes. And all the three can be written as A intersection B intersection C. is equal to what? 8 members. What is asking? He is asking that n of C. How many? N of only C. Only C can say. Instead of that. Only C, only A, and only B can be obtained. So only the thing is I am taking first bit. What is the first bit? Only C. Only C. As you know, in the previous problem I took one note. According to that, only C can be obtained by n of C minus AB. AB means AB. C I need. AB I don't want. AB not. BC, yes. C is there. Yes. BC minus AC, yes. See the thing what happened? AB I don't want BA, only I need C. BC AC plus ABC. Okay. So here what is n of C? N of C is what? N of C is given. N of C is given how much? 29 minus n of B intersection C. B intersection C is how much? 14. N of A intersection C. Where is A intersection C? A intersection C is given 12 minus 2 plus n of A intersection B intersection C. N of A intersection B intersection C is what? How much given? 8. Yes. Now 29 plus 8 how much? 37. Is it? Minus 14 plus 12. Is it? 26. So is it 37 minus 26? 7 minus 6 is a 1. 3 minus 2 means we can say how much? 37 minus 26 is a 11. What 11? It implies that only C. Only C is how much? 11 people, or you can say 11 members. This is a word. You can say better 11. Okay. 11 members what? Required answer is only C. So like same you have to find out product A only, product B only. So using same formula, using only A is equal to n of A intersection B, B intersection C better, A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Only C I got, only B. Only B case you take n of B minus B intersection C, AB, BC, AC better, because when you are taking AC there is no B. When you are finding B, you take it is B. Wherever you will get B there you can consider the formula. This is about thing. I think those two I am giving homework, second bit and third bit, so that I am not giving here answer of that, because you have to find out confidently. Whatever you are solving, you should find out the value very confident. Means when you are getting answer, you should be confident. For that reason I am not giving answer here. It is not necessary. When you are doing correct problem, you will get correct answer only. So in the previous class also I have given one problem that is related to survey, that you have to find yourself correctly, you will get that same answer. So those answers I will mention in the notes. When you will get notes, in the case of notes you will get whatever I have given problems for homework, those answers you will get. In that case you can verify. And some more problems, I had done all the related problems from the book. I had done all the problems. From some miscellaneous problem, I have given same, those problems are same, so I have given in the notes. Means we will provide those remaining, means wherever I left that some simple problems, that you will get in detail problems in the given notes. We will provide it in the problem case. In the notes case you can go through all the remaining. This is a total problems related to practical problems on union and intersection. This is about, it is a small chapter sets. So, and next chapter is a relation and function. Relation and function is that is also related to this. So in the next consecutive video I will explain about relation and function. Means in the next class I will start second chapter, that relation, means that chapter called as a relation and function. That is also very important because all these are connected. Sets, relation, function. These are three are very connected chapters. So in the next class I will continue what? Second chapter called relation and